Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class junior 1. Our today's topic is missing number. Okay, let us start our class. Before starting our class, I write some numbers just like 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. My dear students, these are some numbers from 100 to 110. These are some numbers from 100 to 110. So, the next number of 100 is 101 and the next number of 101 is 102, then 103, then 104, then 105, then 106, then 107, then 108, then 109 and finally 110. My dear students, now I erase some number from this. Just like I erase 102, 105, 108. Okay. Here 100, next 101. The next number will be hot and it is gap, and the next number is 103. My dear student, listen, 100, 101 and 103, but in gap 102 which is missing. So we write here 102 and this is called missing number and this is called missing number. Our next number is 104. 105 is absent, so this is another missing number. 105, 106, 107, 100-109. So 108 is absent. So we write 108 as missing number. So my dear students, I hope you have understood how to fill up the missing numbers of a series. That means some numbers from 100 to 110, I give some missing number and you can fill up this. Okay. Now we shall solve two problems. The questions write the missing numbers. Questions A and question B will be solved in our class and question C will be your SW. I repeat, question A and question B will be solved in our class and question C will be your SW, and this is SW number 4. Here my dear students, the number starting from 325. 325. Then there is another number gap, 327, gap, 329, gap, 331, gap, 333, gap. Okay. So here starting 325. So we write 325. The next number. What is the next number of 325? The next number will be 326 and it is absent in the box. So we write 326 here. Then 326. 327. My dear students, next number is gap. So in gap, which number will be put? That means 327 and the next number is 328. 328. Next number 329. And there is gap. After 329, which number comes? The number 330. So we write here 330. Okay. After 330 we write 331 which is given, and the next number of 332. My dear students, which is the missing number. So we write this number in the box, that means 332, and the next number of 332 is 333 which is given, and the next number of 330 is 334 which is not given. So in box we write 334. I hope you have understood how to fill up the missing number of a box, given box. My dear students, for your better understand, I write this. You need not to write in your answer script, okay? Okay. Next we shall solve without writing this number below. So number B question is gap 444, gap 446, gap 448, gap 450, gap 452. So what will be the number in the first gap? Here the next number is 444. What is the previous number of 444? The previous number of 444 is 443. You are very smart learner. I hope you have understood how to put the missing number in the box. Then 443, 444. After that which number comes? The number 445. Okay, 445 done. The next number is 446. And in gap which number comes? After a number of 446 is put in the gap. That means after number of 446 is which number? The number is 447. Okay. Next number is 448. After 448 which number comes? Then the next number of 448 is 449. Okay. After 449 the number is 450. Then there is a gap. In gap which number comes? After number of 450 is come here. That means in box we write 451 and the next number is 452. Okay, which is already given, we need not to write. Okay, my dear students, question number A and question number B is done. I hope you understood how to put the missing number in the box, and the next number 2C will be your SW, which is SW number 4. Here a box is given, some numbers are given and some numbers are missing. So we need to fill up this missing number in the box. First of all, at first you write your SW copy here, SW nong 4. Then you write here date. Which date in you do the SW. After that you write the question, that means 2A, and write the missing number. Okay, you write the question, then you pick up the question first. So I repeat, you pick up the question first. You pick up the question first. After pick upping, then you write the answer. That means fill up the missing number. Here 480. What will be the next number? Okay, you can fill up. I don't give you the answer. 482 gap, 484 gap, 486 gap, 488 gap. Okay, my dear students, you have already know that based on your SW, city marks and SBA marks will be given. So SW is very, very important for your annual term, and you do your SW very carefully and regularly. Submit it regularly in our school library at 8 AM to 4 PM. Guardians or any other person can submit SW in our school campus. My dear students, your SW submission date is every Sunday. Okay, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.